Welcome to A2Z AMC Training Series. In today's video, we will see how a lender has to extra pay for some of the reasons. Basically, the first condition is that when an appraisal order is submitted and you have and accepted by an ops admin, you have to pay for it. So for that, you do the payment, and you can see that that payment has been completed via Stripe, and in transaction that AMC has been paid. So now we will see in this video how there are different ways that they have to pay. Like the first case is when there's an there's a conditional acceptance of an appraisal order by an appraiser and they request for fee increment. So at that case, you need to pay some more amount for that specific increment because it's a complex appraisal order, so you need to pay extra for it. The second case is the re-inspection. When an appraiser goes for a visit a site for and there was the border didn't meet or they need an additional trip to visit the site for the inspection, so they required a re-inspection or additional trip fee. So that is the second case when there is a payment required from the lender. So we will see, as this is a case that we're working on and still in the phase where there's needs an assignment of appraiser. Okay, this as you can see, this was the appraisal order. It went on hold condition because there's additional payment required for the conditional acceptance, the first phase, and we need to pay $50 for this appraisal order. So we can pay by Pay Now button or by sending the payment link. And after the payment has been made, so this is the second way we can do the additional payment is required for it. So this is what happens in the first case, and in the second case is that when there's a re-inspection, fee is required for by the appraiser. In the status update, it says the conditional acceptance, it was on hold, it was sent for fee increment, and the conditional acceptance fee was paid. In transaction, you can see it is AMC is paid for the conditional fee. Okay, this is the second case where it is in pause condition and a fee is required. So we need to click on this. It's on hold status, which means it's in pause. We need to do the re-inspection fees required and we have to pay for it. So I will be clicking on Pay Now button. As it says, the send payment link is active because it is sent on your email. You have to pay for it. And this happens when you are paying for a re-inspection fee case. So basically, there are two cases where the lender has to or the customer has to pay extra for the assignment or for the appraisal order. So this is all for today's video. Thank you for watching.